Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Garima Soni. Let's look at today's top medical news. P53 gene in ulcerative colitis may be linked to an increased cancer risk. Researchers in the lab of Michael Siegel at the Max Delberg Center and Charité Universitäts Medicine Berlin have elucidated the role of the P53 gene in ulcerative colitis. The study published in Science Advances suggests a potential new drug target to stop disease progression to cancer. When the colon is injured, epithelial crypt cells enter a repair mode. They begin to proliferate rapidly to fix the injury. However, in patients with ulcerative colitis and ulcerative colitis-related colon cancers, these cells become stuck in repair mode, which scientists refer to as regenerative cell state. As a result, there are few mature cells. Consequently, the colon struggles to function normally, which triggers even more stem cell proliferation in a toxic feedback loop. In the current study, researchers found this defective repair mechanism is linked to a non-functional P53 gene, which plays a key role in regulating the cell cycle and in repairing DNA. Novel role of protein GPNMB in heart repair. Researchers UCLA scientists have identified the protein GPNMB as a critical regulator in the heart healing process after a heart attack. Using animal models, they demonstrated that bone marrow-derived immune cells called macrophages secrete GPNMB, which binds to the receptor GPR39, promoting heart repair. These findings offer a new understanding of how the heart heals itself and could lead to new treatment aimed at improving heart function and preventing the progression to heart failure. Previous clinical studies have indicated that GPNMB, a glycoprotein non-metastatic melanoma protein B, has been strongly associated with cardiovascular outcomes of individuals with heart failure. What was not clear, however, was if lacking the protein was directly responsible for the development of heart failure after a heart attack. Utilizing mouse models, the researchers first established that GPNMB is not natively expressed by the heart itself, but is produced by inflammatory cells originating from the bone marrow. After a heart attack, these macrophages travel to the site of injury in the heart where they expresses GPNMB. Connected to nature, socioeconomic and demographic factors may play a role. A major international study involving 56,968 adults aged 18 to 99 has found that the levels of nature connectedness and nature exposure are associated with severe socioeconomic and demographic factors. Higher scores were significantly associated with being female, being older, having greater financial security, living in a rural location, being in a committed relationship, having a higher level of education, and being in a racial majority in that country. The research was published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology. The connectedness to nature scale asked participants to rate statements such as, "I often feel a sense of oneness with the natural world around me. I have a deep understanding of how my actions affect the natural world. And I often feel part of the web of life." Data for some countries was separated into different languages, for example English and French responses from Canada, providing 65 national groups. Nepal, Iran, and South Africa were the top 3 nations for connectedness to nature, while Israel, Japan, and Spain were at the bottom of the rankings. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.